can you explain your project?
The piano coder is about transforming the piano into something new, so changing the function how you actually play the piano. It consists of interchangeable blocks that you place on top of a piano keyboard, and each block has legs, and the legs form together. When placed on the keyboard, it forms chords, and those blocks can cover the whole keyboard, and by moving them around you change the chord, so each position has a different sound, and in that way you can really improvise and play intuitively on the piano.
Okay, and what interested you in making these piano chords?
Well, I play the piano myself, so I really know. I really know how this world is. I'm very interested and fascinated by music and instruments and sounds in general. So I wanted to take what I knew the best, which is the piano, and experiment with if I could add something or make a new project out of the existing thing. And when I finally had made all the pieces and placed them on the piano and I started playing, I actually saw, because the original idea was just to make it for myself, it was just a personal research, but when I actually started playing I saw the possibility of it could actually, I had actually just made a simplified version of the piano, because instead of 88 keys you have normally, now you had only a few, and actually everything you play sounds good because you don't have to think, the chords are already here for you, you just play, and then if you want new chords you just change the position. And so I think it has a much more possibility for also piano amateurs or even children.
And when you look back on the process, would you have worked differently? For example, keeping in mind the people that don't know how to play the piano?
Yes, I think so, because I really intended this only for myself, as a just as an experiment. But if I would have, like in the beginning, thought about it as for example, children, I think I would have made it into more of a playful thing, and at least visually, and more educational, I think.
Yeah. And when you while you were working on this project, what were the things that interested you in the process, maybe?
Well, I had a lot of fun making it, and I discovered that the keyboard is much more complicated than it looks, because finding the position of the keys and making them match perfectly with the blocks, it was really difficult, because my aim was to that it's possible to change them around, so it works both here and also here, and it's really a lot of mathematical work.
Yeah. And would you like to continue working on this project? And if so, how would you like to continue, maybe?
Yes, absolutely. I actually got a lot of positive feedbacks, both from artists and designers, and as well as musicians. And I think I'd love to, for example, work together with composers and see what if I could actually make this into a new instrument.
Okay.